Difference between pipe and tube. What is pipe? Pipe is a hollow section with a round cross section. It is used for carrying fluids, gases, pellets, powders, etc. What is a tube? Tube is a hollow section with different cross sections. It is used for pressure equipment, mechanical applications, and instrumentation systems. Dimensions. Pipe dimensions are defined by their NPS, nominal pipe size, NB, nominal bore, DN, nominal dia. All the above are unitless. NPS do not match with the true diameter of the pipe. It is a rough indication of its dimension. Pipe schedule is a term used to describe the thickness of a pipe. For example, for schedule 40, a pipe with 1 inch to 1.5 inch, the outer diameter is 1.9 inch. Inner diameter is 1.61 inch. Examples of actual outer diameter and inner diameter of a pipe is given. Tube dimensions. They are defined by their outer diameter and wall thickness, OD and WT. These expresses the true dimension value of the hollow section. For example, a tube with 1 inch to 1.5 inch, the outer diameter is exactly 1.5 inch. Wall thickness. Pipe wall thickness is mentioned as schedule, SCH, schedule 40, schedule standard, schedule XS, schedule XXS. The schedules are covered by the ASME B36.10 and ASME B36.19 specifications. Wall thickness is measured in inches and millimeters. Tube. Tube wall thickness WT is expressed in inches and millimeters. It is also measured with a gauge nomenclature. Number 4. Material. Pipe materials are carbon steel, stainless steel, alloy steel. Tube materials are carbon steel, low alloy, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, nickel alloys, and PVC. 5. Shape. Pipes are always round in shape. Tubes are round, rectangle, square, oval, or any shape. 6. End connections. For pipe, it is beveled, plain, and threaded ends. For tube, it is threaded and grooved ends. 7. Joining process. For pipe, it is welding, threading, and flanged. For tube, it is flaring, bracing, and coupling. 8. Available sizes. For pipe, it is a wider range from 1/8 inch to 80 inch. For tube, it is a small range from 1/4 inch to 5.5 inch. 9. Tolerance. For pipe, it is low tolerance. Actual inner diameter of pipe may differ from theoretical value. For tube, it is strict tolerance in straightness roundness, wall thickness, surfaces. Number 10. Applications. Pipes are used to transport both liquids and gases, all processes which include pressure and high temperature. Tube. Tubes are used for heat exchangers, boiler and cooler tubes. Instrument connections, structural member for bracing. Number 11. Strength. Pipes are less stronger. Threaded ends have less strength. For the same size, tubes are stronger. Mechanical strength is a major concern. Number 12. Bending ability. For pipe, it is negligible. More elbow fittings are used. Tubes are easily bent, not required elbow fittings. Number 13. Surface finish. Except stainless steel pipes, others are painted for anti-corrosion and oxidation. Tubes require special polishing treatment, bright annealed, etc. Number 14. Production process. Pipes are made to stock with highly automated and efficient processes like pipe mills. These mills produce on a continuous basis and supply to distributors. Tube manufacturing takes more time and uses more qualified laborers. 15. Cost or price. Pipe is low price per ton. For tube, it is higher because the mills produce less per hour and also due to strict tolerances and inspections. Number 16. Ordering. Pipes are ordered by NPS into SCH schedule or DN. Tubes are ordered by OD into WT, outer diameter into wall thickness. 17. Packing. Pipes, they are not wrapped in box or in a thin film. Tube, they are usually wrapped in a box or in a thin film. Number 18. Delivery time. For pipes, it can be very short. For tubes, the delivery time is generally long.